Welcome to the story of why drag racers have a love-hate relationship with Christmas, or at least, the Christmas tree. In drag racing, the start is everything. A fraction of a second can decide the winner. The challenge was simple. How do you consistently signal two massive machines to start at the exact same moment? The solution came in the form of a column of lights, an objective system that would change the sport forever, affectionately known as the Christmas tree. Before this invention, the source of all chaos and complaint was the Flagman. As drag racing grew in the late 1950s, the human flag starters were wildly inconsistent due to the massive difference in car speed and power. Was the flag dropped early? Did the starter favor one lane? These disputes threatened to completely derail the sport. The NHRA knew they needed an objective electronic system to ensure every racer received a truly equal start. For decades, a flagman stood between two 10,000 horsepower monsters, trying to signal a fair start. This human element was the problem. This necessity led to a monumental invention that debuted in the early 1960s. The first official electronic starter, initially called the countdown starter, debuted at the 1963 NHRA US Nationals in Indianapolis. Designed primarily by Lou Bond, it earned the nickname Christmas tree because the column of multicolored lights resembled a festive decoration. The system was instantly controversial, proving its precision when drag racing legend Don Garlits himself red-lighted in the final of that very first event. It was a great start, but it didn't stop evolving over the next few decades. Its basic structure still includes small pre-stage and stage lights to help drivers position their cars perfectly before the official countdown begins. The tree was shortened in 1986 for better visibility, and in 2003, durable LED lights replaced incandescent bulbs that were constantly shattering from the car vibrations. Ultimately, the Christmas tree made drag racing a truly precise sport. The Christmas tree stripped the sport of human inconsistency, making drag racing a pure test of machine tuning and, most critically, driver reaction time. Whether it's the sequential sportsman tree or the instantaneous pro tree, this iconic column of lights ensures a fair and measurable launch every single time. What's the best reaction time you've ever seen? Drop a comment below, and if you want to see more motorsports history, make sure you like and subscribe.